This video is going to be about how to add a contact, edit a contact, or delete/remove a contact from either your iPhone or your Android. I'm going to first show you how to do this on the iPhone. But before I show you how to do this, if this channel has videos that are helpful to you, subscribe to the channel because there's a lot more videos to come. If this video is helpful to you in any way, hit the like button so I know you got it and you appreciate it. And furthermore, if you have any questions at all, comment on the video, ask me any question, and I'll answer it for you. Okay, I'm on my iPhone, and the conversation is about how to add, edit, or delete contacts. Now, there's two ways on an iPhone to get to your contacts. If you have the Contacts app on the screen, it's just as easy. Just real easy. Hit the contacts, and there's all of my contacts. And I only have one contact list. It's my TLB business. But I can have multiple Google accounts, Yahoo accounts, etc. And I can even have my iCloud contacts on here. But I only have one contact database, and that's in my TLB business email. So that's how you get to it, just by simply going to the contacts. But you can also go to the phone app, and in the phone app, I can click on contacts, and there's the same thing right there, exactly the same presentation. The only difference is I got to it from the clicking on the phone app versus the contact app. Now, once I'm in contacts, how do you add a new one? You hit the plus. When I hit the plus, I can type in the person's first name. Let's call him Joe. This is iPhone. Android, let's call him Joe Adams. And the company is XYZ Toilet Paper. I can add a phone number, an email address. I can add a URL, an address, birthday, all this stuff I can add. You can add notes, etc., etc. And so if I go to add a phone number, click on that. It's going to default to the mobile, but I can choose home, work, etc., etc. I'm going to use mobile. And then I'm going to type the phone number, 336-283-6121. And then I've added the phone number. All I'm doing is grabbing the screen, gently scroll up. I don't push hard, just put my finger on it gently, scroll up, scroll down to be able to look and see what else I want to add. Once I've added it, I hit the checkbox, and I just added Joe Adams onto my contacts. And I can come out of here, and again, I can go to my phone app. I can go to make a phone call. I can go to all contacts, come down up top here and say search. I type in Joe. There's Joe Adams, and there's his phone number. I can click on it and call him. Now, that's how to add a contact. Now, how to edit a contact? Again, I'm gonna go from either contacts or from the phone, either one. Boom. Now, how do I edit a contact? Now, again, I can either go to the contacts app or go to the phone app. I go to the phone app, click on contacts. I can type in Joe up here in the search box. There's Joe Adams. Click on him one time, and then the upper right-hand corner is edit. When I click on edit, I'm right back in. I can fix this company name because it's XYZ, all uppercase. I can add his email address, another phone number, etc., etc. I can do whatever I want to do, put whatever information I want to do in here. I'm in edit mode, and when I'm done, hit the checkbox. And I've updated Joe Adams, fixed the spelling of this company, and added the word test in notes. And the third question is how to remove a contact from your contacts. In this case, on the iPhone, and I'll show you how to do this on Android as well. So again, go to contacts, go to phone, whichever one I want to go to. Go do a search down at the bottom for Joe. There's Joe Adams. I want to remove him. I can simply hit the edit button up top, scroll all the way to the bottom, and there's delete contact. And I got to confirm it with delete contact again. And that record that I added earlier, Joe Adams, is no longer on my cell phone. I showed you how to add it, how to edit it, and then how to delete or remove it. Now let's go switch over to the Android. Okay, so on an Android phone, here's how you do the same task. And that is, how do I add a contact, edit a contact, or delete/remove a contact from my contacts on my phone? One easy way to get to your contacts is click on phone and then click on contacts. And there are my contacts. Now, the question is, how do I add a new contact? Well, it's really pretty easy. you hit the plus up top here, and I can add a new contact. So let me just add one for the sake of adding one. Fred Smith. And then I'm going to add his phone number. Just scrolled up a little bit. I put my finger on the screen and drag it up so I can get the phone. 336-283-6121. And then if I scroll up a little more, I can add a work info or an email. Lee, there's the @ symbol at Burris. Consulting, did I spell that right? .com, of course I didn't spell it right. Consulting, ing, and then I can click on the .com, and then I can hit save, and sometimes it might be a check mark in the upper right hand corner, but in this case it's save. So I just added Fred Smith to my contacts. If I scroll down, I'll see there's Fred Smith that I added to my contacts. Now the next step is on Android. How do I edit it? Well, it's really pretty easy. From the home page, I can go to contacts if I have that icon on my desktop there, or I go to phone, click on contacts, scroll down, or I could use the search bar up top, the search button. I can type in Fred, and there's Fred Smith, and whether I scroll or search and find it, click on it, and now I've got a couple of different options here. Now, because I brought this up in a search, if I click on it, I got to click on the I on this phone, and it brings me the contact record. And in order to edit it, there it is at the bottom of the screen, edit, and his name is actually Freddie Smith. So edit that and then hit save, or I can go if I want to. I can add other work information, other email addresses, etc., and then I can hit save. And I updated the record. By the way, if I was not to do it this way, if I'm on the home screen, if I go to phone, and then I go down, I find Freddie, and I click on it, again, you got to click on the I, and then I got to click on edit down below to be able to edit it. Now the third idea or question asked is, how do I delete a contact that I've added on my Android phone? Now, however I get to it, if I go to contacts or go to phone and then go to contacts. Go to contacts, however you find Freddie, go down here and find Freddie. Now, there's a couple of ways to do this on the Android phone. One is I can click on it and bring it up. Then I can hit the I and then hit more, and there is delete. But there's another way to do it as well, and that is from this screen here, I can hold my finger on it, and up comes options. It put a check mark. It checked Freddie, and I can check Bill, and I can check ATT, whatever I want to select. And once I've selected, I can hit the delete key. Let me show it to you again. I'm going to hit cancel. Again, from this contact screen, hold my finger on it for a second, and you'll see it puts a check mark there where the profile picture, or in this case, the F was. Once it selects it, then I can hit the delete key, move one contact to trash, hit move to trash, and Fred is gone. It's not really gone. It was just moved to trash. So how do I find it? Once I'm in the screen here, I can hit the three dots to the right of the little looking glass or magnifying glass, and there it is there, trash, and there's Freddie. So I can select Freddie, and I can restore it. And the contact's restored, and now we go back to my contacts. There's Freddie again. Again, click on it. More, delete it again. Confirm, move to trash. My purpose is to help you understand technology, to use technology, and I hope this video is helpful for you.